In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your PS5. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, make sure that you are logged into the user account that you want to reset the console from. This is primarily going to be your main account. You might want to factory reset your PS5 if you're selling it, if you're giving it away, or you just want a fresh restart. And to do this, just go ahead and go up to the top right corner and select this little settings gear. Once you're in settings, go ahead and scroll down until you see the system tab right here. Open it up, and once you do open up the system tab, go ahead and select system software and scroll down to the very bottom, and you're going to see an option that says reset options. Select this and then select reset your console. Now before continuing, I would highly recommend backing up your PS5 data just in case, because you'll actually see a warning after selecting this saying that all users and data will be deleted, console sharing and offline play will be disabled, and if you are okay with that, just go ahead and select this and then hit reset. Your PS5 will restart a few times during the process, and once it's done, your PS5 will turn on like it's brand new, and you'll need to set it up from scratch again and sign back into your account. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.